Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Ulyan. Asian shares fell on Friday after a weak session on Wall Street, though many bourses in the region were up slightly so far on the week. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 0.3% in early trade, after Wall Street closed Thursday slightly lower after mixed reports that showed the US economy recovery pace is open to second guessing. Still, the Nikkei is up 4.3% rise so far this month, making it one of the best performers in June. Elsewhere in Asia, trading on New Zealand Stock Exchange was halted due to connectivity problems for some customers. The market opened slightly up before the technical glitch. Australia's ASX 200 rose by 0.3%. Sydney was able to buck the regional decline as mining stocks supported the market after the spot price of iron ore rose 1.7% overnight. Despite comments from President of the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis, James Bullard, who suggested that high interest rates may happen sooner than many people think, US stocks fell for a third time in 4 days, not assisted by ongoing poor economic prints from the world's largest economy. In a number which further tarnished sentiment, consumer spending, which accounts for 70% of the United States growth, rose by a mere 0.2% in May, a disappointing result in line with the overall economic contractions witnessed during Q1. With the greenback once again weighed down overnight, US dollar opens weaker against the yen at a rate of 101.68, whilst slightly stronger against the euro at 1.3610. Following the slew of closely watched data released over the past few days, the economic calendar is relatively quiet on Friday. Nonetheless, trading could be impacted by the release of revised reports from the University of Michigan on consumer sentiment in the month of June. The final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index is expected to rise to 82.5 in June. The preliminary June Sentiment Index fell 0.7 index points to 81.2. However, we look for the final index to rise above the May level given the strong move in the Consumer Confidence Index. Weekly consumer surveys in June also improved since last month. Since the sentiment index gives particular emphasis to financial conditions, continued gains in US stocks through June support our forecast as well. Thus, we revise up our estimate to 82.5. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.